In some breaking news coming in, the normal international air travel will no longer begin from the 15th of December. So India has essentially now postponed resumption of the regular international flights, which was originally supposed to resume from December 15th. Remember, December 15th was to be the date when the regular international flights were all supposed to resume, going back to the way it was in the pre-COVID times. But that has now been postponed. Hina is joining me for more details on this. Hina, this is a big development, obviously, because of the Omicron concerns at this point in time. But just break it down for us. What does this really mean? And also the fact that the bubble flights at this point should continue is our understanding.
That's right. So the big development today is that DGCA has postponed the decision to resume normal international air travel from 15th of December. A couple of days ago, you will recall that a notification has come from the government side that it is now ready to resume normal international air travel, which is like the international air travel the way it used to happen before COVID pandemic came into our lives, before March 2020, only with the countries which are not at risk right now. That was to begin from November 15th. It still hadn't begun. Now the government has made it very clear that this decision has been postponed. It simply means that from 15th of December, the normal international air travel will not be resuming. Hence, things will continue as they are right now. The new date, of course, will be announced in the near future because it is still an evolving situation. The government authorities are monitoring the situation as far as this variant of concern, Omicron, is concerned, and then only appropriate decision will be taken. Now, Avni, very important point for our viewers or the travelers who are, still in other parts of the country, who had gone for a short holiday or some kind of work, who were planning to return back to India, they can, because the bubble arrangement that India has, through which certain international flights are operating with some countries, that will continue as it is. Nothing is changing on that part. So via bubble arrangement, the international air travel with about 18 odd countries that India has right now, that will continue. There has been no change in that. Only that from 15th, when the government had decided that let's resume normal air travel, normal international air travel, the way it used to be in this pre-COVID era, that should begin. So only that timeline has been postponed. It was not being implemented as of now because it was supposed to begin from 15th. That has now been postponed. So nothing much really changes for travelers because it was in any case only beginning from the 15th, and we are just talking on first.
Yes, absolutely, Hina. And the other aspect also that we've seen since yesterday is Maharashtra and Delhi chief ministers have both been asking that, the countries which are at risk, that also should be curbed, the travel, the flights should be curbed from there. Can you tell us which are the countries that are at risk that are coinciding with the countries that we have a travel arrangement, a bubble travel arrangement with?
Well, as far as the countries at risk are concerned, there is a list that has been prepared by Ministry of Health. It has about 13 countries. South Africa, parts of Europe are included in this list of countries. So basically, these are those countries where Omicron variant has found its way. So in any case, the center has announced some specific restrictions or measures for travelers who are coming from these specific countries. As of now, the center has not decided to put a blanket ban on travelers who are coming from these countries. And let me also tell you that some of these countries which are in the at-risk category have got a bubble arrangement with India. But as of now, there's no plan to restrict it. Of course, we'll have to wait and see throughout the day whether there such kind of an announcement comes from the center or not. Because in the release that has been given out today from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, it mentions that it is monitoring the evolving situation. We know that there are some countries who have already decided to close the borders completely with the countries which are at high risk right now or where Omicron variant has made its way already. But India is still in a wait and watch mode. It is increasing its restrictions, or you can say measures, at the airport, which can be the entry point of this particular variant. For example, there are new rules in place for travelers who are coming from the countries which are at risk. So essentially, essentially nothing changes for people who have been, traveling via this bubble arrangement to specific countries. That remains as it is. As of now, travel from those countries has not been banned.
Absolutely, Hina. Very important information there. A lot of clarifications. Thanks so much for getting us all of those details. So like Hina pointed out, we'll have to wait and see now whether or not things are further tightened. But at this point in time, nothing really changes on ground except the fact that the 15th December, where the regular international flights were supposed to resume to the pre-COVID levels, is not going to happen at this point in time.